welcome back to my channel. So this is my 8 months old baby not letting me go. So I'm going to record this video with him around. Now in this video I'm going to tell you whether sprouts makers are worth it or not and what all things you can do with it. I have a 3 compartment sprouts maker, and previously also I made a video, and that's by far the most watched videos on my channel, and I made moong and chana sprouts. Now today I have made methi sprouts and I'm quite happy with the results. Now let me tell you the process on what we need to exactly do. First of all, I soaked the methi seeds overnight, which was about 8 to 9 hours. So all you need to do is wash the seeds properly, and after that in clean water you need to soak it, cover it and allow it to rest for about 9 to 10 hours. Once they have soaked in really well, we need to drain out the excess water. But we don't need to dry the seeds or something like that. Let it be moist only. If you are making sprouts in a larger quantity, you can use all the 3 compartments. But if you are making it in a smaller quantity, you can simply use one of the compartments as well. What I did, I used only one of the compartments because I was making sprouts in a lesser quantity. And in the bottommost plate, I will add enough water, and then I will place the second compartment. There I will put all the seeds, and we need to keep this space around this red thing empty so that it can remain moist. And then we will cover it and just keep it like that. I kept it like that for the entire one day. In the morning itself I kept it in the compartment or in the sprouts maker, and this is what the results I saw in the next day. Like after 24 hours, this is what is the result. Now you can see that seeds are a bit dried up, they are not that moist. So if you want longer sprouts, you can add a little bit of water, just sprinkle a bit of water and keep it like that. They are going to grow even longer. But if you are happy with this much of length, then they are ready to be consumed as well. I simply sprinkled some water and kept it for another 4-5 hours, and this is what it looks like right now, and I'm going to cook it now. Even though I'm using a plastic sprouts maker, here you also get stainless steel sprouts maker boxes. You can also make sprouts in a muslin cloth or even in a stainless steel strainer. I have described the methods as well on my channel. You will get videos relating to that as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and until we meet next time, bye bye from me and also from him. Bye bye. Can you say bye bye? Bye bye. No, he's interested in pulling my hair. Bye for now.